Let's talk about what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model. It provides the accurate text format result as per the user queries on real-time. About benefits of using ChatGPT. First one is natural language understanding. It provides the easy understandable output in human-like text. Second is fast response. ChatGPT provides the very fast result in very short time, like it provides the data in few seconds. Third is 24/7 availability. ChatGPT is an AI technology that is available 24/7, no time limitation on this platform. Fourth is accurate consistency. ChatGPT provides the unlimited numbers of solutions as per user queries. Fifth is help in problem solving. ChatGPT provides the infinite content for client queries, so it helps to solve the user problem. Sixth is increased efficiency. ChatGPT handles the high volume of queries and simultaneously. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.